After the statement of Malacanang that E.S. Bersamin has voluntarily filed his resignation, E.S. Bersamin also spoke to the media saying that he was asked to resign. So, sir, first, was he asked to resign? Why did you decide to let go of both E.S. Bersamin and Secretary Pangandaman? And what does it say about the cabinet that E.S. and Secretary Pangandaman were dragged into this issue?
Well, you know, the question about Chief Luke and myself, wala, nag-usap na kami. And we understand each other, and we decided to keep it between ourselves. There's no bad blood, there is no acrimonious feeling there, so that's fine. Si Sekmina, because her name was dragged into the whole thing. You know, it makes it clear that whatever is going on, kung ano man ang mga questioning, kung ano man ang mangyayari, we want to be sure that she's not in a position where she might be suspected of influencing all that. Kasi when she's out of government, wala na siyang influensya. So hindi mo masasabing inayos niya yung kaso niya.